Any mention?
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, like to mention item number 27 and 28, Your Lordship. On behalf of Mr. Paul Pascal, Your Lordship.
20?
27 and 28.
Oh yes, he lost his mother.
Yes, my lord. He's in bereavement.
Yes, after 2 weeks, due to bereavement in the family of the arguing counsel for the petitioners. Yes.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, I'd like to mention this item 20, Lordship. Lordship, this matter can come up tomorrow, Lordship. Subject to Lordship
The
convenience.
transfer petition, madam.
If learned AG is this side, then we can finish this matter tomorrow.
AG is here, my lord. He has come to Shillong for this matter also.
So to start today?
Lordship, tomorrow, Lordship. Subject to Lordship convenience. Or any time this week, Lordship.
My lord, I have difficulty to consent, my lord, because AG has come to Shillong for this matter.
Today?
Yes, my lord. He's in town.
Where's EG now?
Lord, he hasn't reached the court complex.
These matters, my lord, it's before the Supreme Court. Your Lordship is
no, AG said he will show how the matter before the Supreme Court can be distinguished from the matters that are pending here.
It will be very difficult, in fact.
Let him attempt. Because otherwise, if the order from which all things stem from has been stayed for a time being, so how can it distinguish? We don't know. What is this?
The matter can be called and Lordship can decide if AG is able to produce a sovereign, then accordingly.
Because they're not entering appearance before the Supreme Court. That's why it's taking long. Now it's fixed in November.
Why not entering appearance?
The state.
The state, Lordship. The state.
Still entering appearance?
No.
I'm not aware of that, madam.
That's why it's fixed in November, my lord. The next date of hearing.
Next is November. And the order still operating.
Yes. Anyway, let the AG come and if he wants to.
These trials are running, but there's no stay right in the trial.
No, Lordship. The trials are not running.
They're running.
In view of this matter being pending.
Everything's been stayed also?
Yes, Lordship.
Everything has been stayed, my lord, because.
Let the Attorney General come. US Mr. Dakhar. Oh. No, sorry, I mean Mr. Not Dakhar, Mr. Who are the counsels appearing? Mr. Nongklau?
I don't feel.
Mr. Mansuri then? No, who's there? Upadhyaya, Mr. Upadhyaya is there? And you are four? With whom? With whom? With? Inform them, will be taken up today.
If learned AG is here tomorrow, we can do it tomorrow, Lordship.
All right.
Tomorrow.
Okay, we'll post it tomorrow.
Yes, Lordship. Highly obliged.
Madam, this is from 19, madam.
Yes?
Item number 19 to 26, madam.
Okay. Yes. $19.26 tomorrow, huh?
Item number 1.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Lordship, I have in this matter, I have limited prayer, Lordship. Here, the order passed by the EC is signed only by one member, Your Lordship.
You agree with the order or you're happy with the order?
The order is happy, but this.
Happy with the order? But
that does not have jurisdiction, Your Lordship. So instead,
yes,
this is covered by all those other matters, my lord.
Yes. Sign number 1, exit number. What's the subject matter about?
Page 18, Your Lordship. Here, what happened, Your Lordship? The Snat Hima Mortomor, which falls under Soyong Lindo ship, Your Lordship, has been handed over to Jirang same ship without the consent of the Darbar Pulun, done only by the personal capacity of the 10 Lindo of Soyong, Your Lordship. Now, what happened? The EC has set aside that one, Your Lordship, thinking that without getting the consent of the Darbar Pulun, now the matter has been the demand back. The Nongwak Mortomor has been returned back to Lingdo, Soyong Lingdo.
It's come back now.
Yes, Lordship. Now, but the only defect is like the order which is not favorable, Lordship, is signed only by one member, Lordship. Page 18, then page 18.
Okay.
So, Your Lordship, I want this matter to be remanded back, disposed within 2 months, Lordship, and the meantime status quo.
Covered by.
Yes, by Mr. B. Karim, Leonard Counsel Petitioner, Mr. Dean of the Senior Counsel, with so-and-so is present on behalf of the respondents 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, so no further notice. as the matter involves only a technicality with regard to impugn order, respondents, notice respondents 4 and 5 dispense with it. Yes, next paragraph. Mr. B. Kriam submits that the matter concerns the administration of Snat Hima Nongwa Mautumur, wherein though it falls under Soyong leadership, the same was placed under Jirang's aimship due to a erroneous arrangement made in 2015.
Yes, sir.
2015. He submits that though the same has been since corrected by the respondents 1 to 3 by order dated
13/12/2024, page 18.
13/12/2024. However, the order has been signed by a single executive member, which makes the order incompetent as much as per the Rule 31 of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous Districts, in bracket, Constitution of the Council Rules, down 51, minimum of 2 members have to sign any executive order.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mr. Council also does not dispute this matter or dispute this point, and has also placed a judgment of this court dated 16/5/2025, passed in WPC number 455 of 2024. Stop. Next paragraph. In this view, the matter on this short point, the matter disposed of at a motion stage itself by remanding the matter back to the executive committee, Mr. Council, to pass appropriate orders within a period of
2 months.
2 months
Yes,
of
we
the date
maintain
from
because there's
receipt of the order. Till then, it's provided status quo shall be maintained with regard to administration of
Snat Hima Nongwa Mautumur.
Item number 2.
Your transfer petitions are also got adjourned, if your lordship.
Which one?
Transfer petitions, my lord, for tomorrow. So if your lordship can hear the matter, because if my friends are here.
Yes, we'll hear them.
This matter, Lordship, I'm praying for tomorrow, Lordship, as well.
Why? What's happened with Changrai?
Because he has some butthurt matters before Court 4, Lordship.
Before?
Court 4, Lordship.
But that means this court to take precedence.
No, Lordship, because those matters, Lordship, is almost reaching its conclusion, Lordship. That's why. The 2 butthurt matters, Lordship.
Then we can't take up all these heavy matters in one day.
Lordship, I'm praying, Lord, that's my instructions, Lordship.
After some time.
It's very simple to God, my lord.
Tomorrow, Lordship.
End of the board.
Because here, Lordship, we're only relying on that advertisement. We're going by the advertisement.
No, but there's nothing is left to be decided here. If 18 months is valid, then what's the decided?
Because
It's only the years.
The advertisement says something else, Lordship. It says on the advertisement says that it should be as per the NCTE norms, Lordship. So, and the NCTE provides for
Just
2 years.
only.
NCT also provides for 18 months, my lord.
2 years.
NCT also provides for 18 months. And that has been settled, at least
Lordship,
half dozen judgments are there. Half dozen judgments have come after Uttarakhand
If Lordship permits my senior.
You'll be here the after tomorrow.
I'm here.
Then post it after tomorrow.
No problem.
Yes, as person appearing for NCT. For
NCT.
in this matter.
Yes.
Yes.
NCT.
What is your name? Your name? Okay. You be here the after tomorrow. Yeah, the after tomorrow virtually or otherwise.
Yes.
Okay.
Item 2, 4, and 5 laws.
Yes.
Connecting with item 3 or 4.
6. What about 6?
6 also, my lord.
2 to 6.
2 to 6, my lord.
Not 4. 4 is different, I think. It'll be 2, 3.
4 also, Lordship.
3 is there also.
Yes, Your Lordship.
3 here appearing.
4. How will 4 be there?
4 is also, Lordship. Arising from the same advertisement.
4.
Yes, Lordship.
4 we don't know.
4 is that,
Oh no, 5 Lordship, 5 and 6 Lordship.
okay, due to personal difficulty expressed by the arguing counsel for the petitioner, oppose this matter day after tomorrow. Yes, for admission hearing.
No,
Yes?
we can have it tomorrow, only day after tomorrow.
14th fine? Yes, post on 14th. Yes, that's going to be this is, there is 405. Then item 3, 5, 6.
3, 6.
Together, yes.
So in transfer petitions on those matters, leave has been granted. State has already entered into appearance, so it will take time. The Lordship has to decide the entire transfer petition here only.
But you have to at least assess the court.
Yes, I am ready today also.
Otherwise, it's not.
No, my lord, I am ready to assist today also.
Have an order from it goes conflict with the
No,
order.
there will be no conflict, my lord. Absolutely, I am clear, my lord. I will place material. Absolutely, there is no conflict, my lord. There is no conflict at all.
Mr. Advocate General, if the order which is appealed again
Yes, my lord.
stems a commercial order, is the one that holds the sway in all these other
No,
matters.
in Commercial, if I get the opportunity to explain in
Anyway,
Commercial,
will tomorrow.
yes, my lord.
Why are you arguing a matter that's
Yes,
already been adjourned?
yeah. And the state has already entered into appearance, but leave has been granted by Justice Sundaresh, so that is the problem.
Yes. Yes. Record opinion.
No, the Lordship, last order, Lordship may have a look, 3/7/25.
Yes.
I think Lordship did
28/7/2005.
yes. 3/7/25 fixing, my lord, for police report also, and for Lordship desired that the admission stage the matter should be disposed of. Prior to that, by order dated 17/6, my lord, till then the bank account was under freezing. That we have defreezed, my lord. The bank defreezed, and thereafter she started transaction with the bank. Now, what remains in the case, apart from the very lethargic, my lord, investigation, if I may submit so, undertaken by the police, I have gone through the earlier report and the latest report also. There is nothing. It is very lethargic. So, my lord, keeping aside that, my lord, what remains in this case is that whether the bank anyway collided with, or bank was responsible or was in default for
It is not collided, it's negligence. That's the only thing, yeah.
or whether it was absolutely because of the gross negligence of the customer of the bank, namely the writ petitioner. These will be the points for adjudication before your lordship. Now, since I believe that is only that's what remains, my lord, and it is
only one thing, Mr. Borofio, proceed. Is there any possibility of the petitioner getting her money back?
I don't see. Because
not possible.
Possible if the fraudster is caught up, my lord.
The fraudster now, as per police reports, some poor farmer was a migrant laborer. He went somewhere and a SIM card was made in his name without his knowledge.
Had it been in any other mode, or had it been in any of the branches of our bank, we could have possibly stopped. But as it was a Google Pay, as your lordship knows, it goes. And one pushes the right button and right pin, my lord, bank is bound if the money is available. Now, my lord, the questions here will be whether the bank, my lord, collided. And that part it was once retrieved, my lord, this error reversal, this is gone. Defreezed, we have defreezed and started transaction. Now, my lord, whether the bank was at fault, I first go to, my lord, it will be improper if I start replying, my lord. After all, it is the case of the writ petitioner. Let them start and say, my lord. Lordship is putting questions, that's why I replied.
No, since you referred to the orders, that's why just... Yes, Mr. Paul.
Well, it's two issues that come out over here. Well, the first is, I'll just take your lordships through the facts of that matter, which my lords are aware. Well, it's on 8/8/2024.
Yes.
Well, I received a phone call from in the name of one of the senior members of this court, senior members of the bar of this court, saying that some money was required. And on that assurance that it was probably from one of the senior members, a transaction was made by me on 8/8/2024. Now, immediately thereafter, I realized that there was something fishy in this entire phone call that was made, and probably I was scammed. So on 8/8/2024 itself only, I immediately filed an FIR with the Rinja police station. Would find that at page 19.
Yes.
Thereafter, I filed a complaint with the branch manager of the bank, on the 9th, and that, would find at page 24. Take straight to page 24.
Transaction was done on the 8th.
And on 9th, I immediately filed a complaint, that, would find at page 24, Annexure 4. May I just point out,
Yeah.
With reference to the above quoted, I have the honor to state that there was a fraud with me through phone number so-and-so and UPI ID of Bijay Barik, so-and-so on so-and-so. On receipt of the call, introducing himself as VK General Senior Advocate, requested me to transfer some money to his client's account, which shall be repaid soon for the treatment of his client patient. Since I know the Senior Advocate, I transferred the following amount through GPay as given herein below, and this is the figures.
These transactions, 10,000, 15, 45, 29, was made a space of.
It's
within the same.
The details are available, when they were made. I'll just to point out that to the query, would find that in the counter affidavit filed by the bank at page 34. These 4 transactions,
Where's that time?
The date is given, Unfortunately, the time is not shown here. Around 1:30.
Oh, these are
those 4
10,
transactions.
15, 45, and 29.
29. These are the 4 transactions.
Okay. Right.
Then I say again at page 24, if I may take your lordships back, that the said transfers were made from account of so-and-so to Bijay Barik, UPI ID to so-and-so linked to a bank. The transfer transaction details are attached herewith with this application to trace the money fraudulently transferred to a aforesaid person, and in this regard, your kind cooperation is required to get back my account of your branch. You are therefore requested to facilitate the early recovery of the transacted amount of rupees 99,000 only immediately. Delay in lodging of this complaint is caused as busy in filing FIR with Rinja police station and lodge complaint with cybercrime branch of the Meghalaya police, and acknowledgement number is so-and-so, dated 8/8/2024. And down below, if my lords may kindly see, there is an acknowledgement by the bank. We have lodged complaint online.
Yes.
Now to this, thereafter, on 20th, I received an email from the bank that 99,000 has been credited back to my account. That will, my lords would find at page 27.
Yes. Yes.
This is from the bank. Your lordships will kindly see, this is alerts HDFC Bank net to shimabhattacharjee@gmail.com. And this is dated the 20th of August at 6:41 p.m.
Okay.
Now it says, dear customer, you have received a credit into your account. Here are the details. The amount credited received is 99,000 in your account number so-and-so on account of temporary CRN UPI so-and-so under review. Your account at so-and-so Meghalaya, your available balance is so-and-so. You have deposited a check amount of so-and-so, not relevant, Melons. The first part is the only relevant part. So, Melons, thereafter, Melons, on 26th.
The 21st, see, 99.
I'm sorry.
Now come the next one, 29. The balance goes back to 91,000.
No, Malaj, this is earlier in the day. It will
first.
Yes,
20th August.
I'm sorry.
Getting the amount back,
Malaj,
right?
20th,
And then
21st, Malaj, the money again goes.
Yes.
That money which was there in my account again goes. This is at Malaj 8:24 a.m. on the morning. My apologies. So Malaj, my balance which was 190 now again comes back to 91. So Malaj, I write a complaint to the grievance cell, Malaj, at page 31.
Yes.
I'm sorry, Malaj, that will be at page 32. So, Malaj, I basically reiterate my original complaint. And Malaj, I receive a response back from them at page 33 in Excerpt 7. Now, this says, Malaj, this is with reference to the concern raised by you for the online transaction dated so-and-so for rupees so-and-so initiated from HDFC account number ending so-and-so. We confirm that the bank has followed the due diligence as per the Reserve Bank of India guidelines. Upon your concern of fraudulent transactions, I have completed the investigation. Please find our submissions below. That the disputed transaction of rupees 99,000 initiated from your account number ending with number so-and-so was made through UPI payment channel using a mobile device. We request you to note, to initiate a UPI payment, the transaction has to be authenticated with a 4-digit UPI PIN which is linked to the account, only privy to the customer. To set this UPI PIN, the customer has to enter the last 6 digit of the debit card expiry so-and-so OTP sent by the bank. We confirm to have received the correct UPI PIN for the disputed transaction from your account. Accordingly, the transaction was successfully settled from our side. While we sincerely regret the inconvenience caused, we would like to inform you that there has been no deficiency in services on the part of the bank in the matter. We advise you to take this matter with the concerned law enforcement agency, cyber police, if not already done so. For further investigation of the disputed transaction, we promise to give full cooperation of the investigating agency regarding the details pertaining to the disputed transactions. We wish to inform you that the case has been received and reviewed by our bank's internal ombudsman appointed as per instructions from the RBI. In case of any further assistance, please feel free to speak to so-and-so, so-and-so. Thereafter, again, I write another representation. It continues. But sum and substances, this is how this matter progressed. Now, after a writ had been filed before this honorable court, there's a response that is filed by the bank. Now, I'll take your lordships to what is there in the counter affidavit. If I may draw your lordship's attention to page 2, paragraph 3.
Yes.
Well, it's that with regards to the statements made in paragraph so-and-so of the writ petition, the deponent begs to state that the bank had acknowledged the complaint from the petitioner with regard to the purported transaction bearing acknowledgement number so-and-so. The respondent bank on so-and-so had temporarily credited shadow reversal the disputed amount of rupees 99,000 in the petitioner's account, which is reflected as temporary so-and-so under review. The said temporary credit was done as per the RBI circular number so-and-so under paragraph so-and-so. The relevant portion of paragraph 9 of the circular is as follows. Reversal time for zero liability, limited liability of customer. On being notified by the customer, the bank shall credit shadow reversal.
Shadow or shallow? What is
it? Should be shadow, Malins. I think there is a typo error again.
How are they correcting this petition?
Yes. The amount involved in the unauthorized electronic transaction to the customer's account within 10 working days from the date of such notification by the customer, without waiting for settlement of insurance claim, if any. The credit shall be value dated to be as of the date of the unauthorized transaction. Banks may also at their discretion decide to waive off any customer's liability in case of unauthorized electronic banking transactions, even in cases of customer's negligence. Now they have annexed this. Now, what they say, my lords, again at para 4, they again reiterate, my lords, what I pointed out in the affidavit, in the email, the response. And if I can understand correctly, the stance of the bank is that, my lords, the transaction is made through an UPI. Now, once you enter the correct PIN for the UPI, the transaction is made, so the bank has no negligence in it. Here, it is not a case of negligence by the bank. Well, as I acknowledge the fact that I was scammed. A call was made to me. I do not deny the fact, my lords, that I made the transaction. Now, very interestingly, my lords, I will take your lordships to the statement of account, which I pointed out at Annexure 3, page 34.
Of the affidavit.
My lords.
Yes.
Now, 8/8/2024, my lords. These are those 4 transactions, my lords, may kindly have a look.
Yes.
It simply says UPI Bijay Barik, and my lords, the transaction number is given.
Yes.
So actually, my lords, come like this. If it is spread out, would have been a little easier. 8/8/2024, UPI Bijay Barik, number so and so, my lords, and 10,000, 15,000, 45,000, 29,000. Now, what, my lords, is startling in this entire episode is that the bank has not been able to disclose, because UPI, if my lords would kindly appreciate, is only a medium of transaction. There would be a check, there would be, my lords, an RTGS transfer or any mode of transfer. These are all platforms under which transfers are made. It is not the end recipient in the first place.
Yes.
I cannot have an UPI ID, my lords, which is not connected to a bank account. If I have a UPI, to create an UPI ID, and which they also acknowledge, my lords, in paragraph 4 of their affidavit, I must have a bank account first. Then I must connect my bank account with my, must connect the UPI with my bank account to enable any kind of transactions to be made. Now, admittedly, my lords, here is a case where money has gone out from the bank. I have put in a complaint, my lords, within the period that is prescribed under the RBI rules. Say the customer has to be, my lords, diligent enough to inform within so and so time. I go file an FIR, I inform the bank. There's a proceeding before this honorable court. Unfortunately, till today, neither the investigating agency nor the bank have disclosed that this UPI ID of Bijay Barik is connected to which account?
Which bank, yes.
Because the moment, my lords, if in my humble submission, the moment, my lords, we get to know to which bank account it is connected and what is the account number to which it is connected, necessarily everything would fall into place.
The court put the question that, suppose now, like you made a transaction, correct? Rightly or wrongly. Now the thing is that the money goes from bank A to bank B. May account to the bank, the recipient. Now the thing is that what's happened in other cases, the moment even 1 rupee goes of an authorized transaction, that recipient bank account is frozen, is blocked, yes.
My lords. And any
what
other
has not come forward here is which is the bank account went to, and whether what steps did they take after the complaint came on the 8th
to block.
Now whatever it is, like the account might be zero.
My lords.
Might be zero, whatever recipient, they might have withdrawn the money, but why were no steps taken to freeze the account?
My lords, that is the case of the petitioner itself. That's
So
only the limited
question
case.
that came to the court, because in all other matters, this is
Your lordships would have seen that there are numerous petitions which are
before this court,
where, my lords,
where
people
the
are coming
police
saying that
immediately
10 rupees deposited in my account has suddenly been frozen. Now, the difficulty is, my lords, if the money has gone somewhere, that account needs to be frozen. And the trail from that account, my lords, if it has at all gone to account A, B, C, D, that has to be frozen. Now, neither the state nor the bank is coming up with these details. It is not a case.
But that's a huge lacuna which they'll have to pay. I mean, they will have to answer for that, not pay, I mean. But they'll have to answer for that.
The other aspect of the matter is, this affidavit of the bank is quiet on the aspect that after my complaint was received, what steps have they taken, my lords, for following up where the money has gone and to freeze those accounts? If my lords recollect, in the first report that was filed before this honorable court, my lords, the state had pointed out that they were not getting that kind of assistance from the bank.
Yes.
Now that position has not changed. I may draw your lordship's attention to the first report.
Dated
Well, this is the first report dated the 12th of February 2025.
First, no, there's not the report that was.
I'm sorry,
4th November 2024.
Which is where they've stated.
The first report is 4th November.
4th November, if my lords, can you have a look at it, my lords, at paragraph 4.
Yes.
Paragraph 3 onwards, my lords. The requisition for furnishing of the bank statement of account number so-and-so has been sent to HDFC Bank. The branch manager, HDFC Police Bazaar, Mr. So-and-so, has examined, and during the course of investigation into the disappearance debit of rupees 99,000, he stated...
Where are you reading from?
Page 4 of that report, my lords. Paragraph 4 of that report, sorry.
Okay.
Paragraph 4.
The statement of Mr. So-and-so.
My lords.
Yes.
As soon as the customer transacted the money to the fraudster had withdrawn the cash money, and on being notified by the customer, the bank shall credit shadow reversal the amount involved in the unauthorized electronic transaction to the customer's account within 10 working days from the date of such notification by the customer, without waiting for settlement of insurance claim, if any. The credit shall be of value dated to be of the date of the unauthorized transactions. Banks may also at the discretion decide to waive off any customer liability in case of unauthorized electronic banking transactions, even in the cases of customers' negligence.
Yes.
Now, this line, my lords, everybody is very conveniently forgetting. Here, there is no dispute.
No, this even in case of customer negligence is a RBI directive.
My lords.
Yes, Mr. Kalaya.
So, now essentially what is happening is, my lords, the entire responsibility is being saddled upon me, saying that this is not a case of negligence by the bank, it is by the customer. Here, admittedly, it is by the customer. Now, yes. Once the customer makes a mistake, my lords, assuming that there is a wrong transaction made by me, but I've informed you, under these circumstances, there's a wrong transaction. And, my lords, I have also taken steps under law to inform the police that, yes, indeed, this has happened. Thereafter, my lords, two very glaring aspects, as I pointed out, is not coming forward. The first is, they have to point out before this honorable court, my lords, what steps did the bank take?
Yes.
That is not forthcoming. The second is, my lords, if at all the money has gone somewhere, what steps have been taken to trace that particular money and the trail of that money?
Yes.
Well, it's at paragraph 4, there is again something that is very interesting, which does not come in the counter affidavit. If my lords may kindly see the 4th line. Mr. Adhikari has examined, and during the course of investigation into the disappearance of 99,000, he stated that as soon as the customer transacted the money to the fraudster had withdrawn the cash money.
Where is that? You're reading?
At paragraph 4.
Page 1.
Yes, my lords, that very report.
The statement of Mr. Adhikari has been
the statement of Mr. has been examined, and during the course of investigation into the disappearance debit of 99,000, he stated that as soon as the customer transacted the money to the fraudster had withdrawn the cash money.
Yes.
So somehow the bank had knowledge, my lords, that that money had been withdrawn. Now, if it has been withdrawn, from where it has been withdrawn?
Yes.
Now, insofar as, my lords, the investigation is concerned, my lords, in the second report, which is dated, my lords, the 12th of February 2025, at paragraph 5, if my lords can have a look.
This 4th November, then...
My lords, this is dated the 10th of February 2025.
This report, there's another one here. 10 December 24.
10
December 24. The next one. After November, 10 December 24.
Well, lords, I am not privy to 10 December. We just... Well, it may not be relevant. I'll just take your lordships to 12th February.
No,
we can go straight to 12th February. This is what? This is July.
There, where they found out this customer application is Hari Mandal.
Hari Mandal, my lords. Now, tracking bullets here, they say the customer's application form has been revealed that the mobile number so-and-so is registered to Hari Mandal, so-and-so, resident of so-and-so, Bihar. A notice under 35 BNSS was sent to Hari Mandal, so-and-so. Now, tracking the fraudster's location, the tower location analysis of the mobile number so-and-so during the time of the fraud shows to be presence of so-and-so, so-and-so. A message has been sent to so-and-so, pending actions. A requisition has been sent to
which page of this 24?
Well, I'm reading this page 1, Malaj. This is dated
12th Feb.
12 February, Malaj, and the date of the report is 10th Feb. Now, at 5, Malaj, the pending action is more important. It says a requisition has been sent to the NPCI, that is National Payment Corporation of India, to provide the details of the UPI account linked to Bijay Barik. A response is still awaited.
Yes.
Now, this was, Malaj, essentially a step in the proper direction because we would then get to know that what happens. In the latest report that has been filed before this Honorable Court, Malaj,
Yes.
Malaj,
Latest report is 6
during the court, this is the latest one, Malaj, this is dated the 28th. Malaj,
no, 6 June.
28 July, Malaj, there is another report.
This is the last report.
My lords, I'll take your lordships to 6 June as well.
We will see, want to see the sequence, whether what has progressed.
I'll take your lordships.
Investigation and action taken report.
My lords, at page 2 of that report, if my lords kindly see, this is where the tower location, my lords, we have seen till that 35 notice has been sent to Hari Mandal. Then at 5, my lords, they say the tower location analysis of mobile number so-and-so at the time of the incident shows his presence as so-and-so. A WT message has been sent to the officer in charge of Firozpur, Chikra so-and-so, to trace the suspect within the jurisdiction. A response from Haryana police is still awaited. On 20th of May 2025, a requisition of mobile number so-and-so has been sent again for providing the CDR tower location. However, it is learned from the said mobile is not in use and no updated received on this line. During the course of investigation, a requisition was placed before the NPCI to provide the details of the UPI account linked to Bijay Barik. Report in this line is awaited for further action into the case. So this seems to be a dead end, my lords, insofar as this is concerned.
Yes.
In the course of investigation, a team was deputed to so-and-so to arrest the accused on the basis of the available information. Assistance was taken from the local police of Alamnagar to arrest the suspected accused person, but the said person was not found and has absconded. The family members were inquired upon his whereabouts, but no information could be generated. Every effort is being made to catch the culprits. So this report, my lords, is dated the 6th of June. Thereafter, my lords, there is again another report on the 28th of July.
Yes.
If I may draw your lordship's attention, my lords, to paragraph 4 onwards.
From page 1?
My lords, of page 1. This is report date.
It jumps straight to paragraph
3 to 5, my lords. The tower location analysis of mobile number so-and-so at the time of the incident shows its presence in so-and-so, Haryana. A WT message number so-and-so had been sent to the officer in charge of so-and-so to trace the suspect within the jurisdiction. A response from Haryana police is still awaited. On the 20th of May, a requisition of mobile number so-and-so had been sent for providing CDR and tower locations. However, it is learned that said mobile is not in use and no update is received in this regard. Then, my lords, during the course of investigation, a requisition was placed before NPCI to provide the UPI account linked to Bijay Barik. A report in this regard is awaited for further action.
What is National Payment Corporation of India? What entity is this?
It will be a national, my lords, union. Or
how do the banks access it?
Just give me a national corp. I'll just assist your lordships, NPCI. It would be, my lords, essentially, a UPI, my lords, would essentially again come within the purview of the RBI only, and this platform would be registered with the government, my lords. We'll just place the details of NPCI before, my lords. You have the NPCI? Just show me NPCI. the webs. We're just placing the details of NPCI. In the course of investigation, a team was deputed to so-and-so. Assistance was taken from the local police of Alamnagar to arrest the suspected accused, but the said person was not found and had absconded. A notice under so-and-so was issued through so-and-so to the suspected accused Hari Mandal for his appearance before the investigating officer for interrogation into the use. On 26/2025, Hari Mandal, in compliance with the notice, appeared at Rinja police station, and during the course of interrogation, he stated that he is a resident of so-and-so and is illiterate. He is a farmer by profession and presently is working in Ghazwa, Sikandrabad as a labourer. He revealed that in the month of April 2024, he had gone to Haryana for working in a paddy field as a labourer. He denied to have applied for any mobile connection and stated that his Aadhaar card must have been misused for getting the mobile connection in his name by some unknown person. Investigation is on to break the entire cyber fraud nexus. That is it, Milits. And but this Hari Mandal does not seem to be the person, Milits, that is apparent from page 11. I don't think, Milits, this, so far as this man is concerned, he would not be. What is interesting here is, Milits, the two aspects of my lords kindly consider. My lords, a lawyer is called from a number, Milits, and Milits, that lawyer is informed of another senior advocate saying that, Milits, this money is required, or else this transaction would have never happened in the first place. Now, the investigation of the police, Milits, demonstrates that the calls were made from somewhere in Haryana. So it is impossible for somebody sitting in Haryana to then know, Milits, that this is the number of the petitioner who is an advocate, and, Milits, thereafter take the name of somebody else who is also a senior advocate of this honorable court.
Well known to the petitioner.
And well known to the petitioner. It cannot be a matter of coincidence. It is also
so there's a strong local element involved. Yes.
It just cannot be, Milits, that somebody sitting in Haryana obtains a mobile phone in the name of a Hari Mandal, Milits, who otherwise also, Milits, it is apparent that he is not the person concerned. And for him to know, Milits, the petitioner as well as, Milits, some senior advocate of this honorable court, and on that basis, let's get the petitioner to make a transaction. That's part one. This investigation does not reveal anything on those lines.
But can the court go there? I mean, suppose, okay, we understand prima facie, this is what has happened. But now, like, if the investigation does not point anywhere, as whether it's any local element, the thing is that triangulating the calls shows that the call has been Haryana.
I am only saying that the police, essentially may have a certain procedure of investigation. I'm not questioning that. But what I'm questioning is that the manner in which this investigation is proceeding is not leading anywhere for anybody. We still today, don't know where the money has gone. My lords would kindly appreciate that the incident, relates to 8/8/2024. It's been 1 year. In 1 year, we have not known where the money has gone. Neither the bank has disclosed this, nor the police are in a position to come before your lordships and say that yes, it went to so-and-so account, and from there we have traced it. Number two, as I pointed out, that there must be a local element in this entire matter. That's the second part of it. To the limited extent, and your lordships are correct, that my lords may not enter into that realm. The only issue why I pointed this out is that the investigation is essentially also a very shoddy kind of investigation. Nothing's really coming out of it. It's probably that because my lords are seized of this matter, every now and then, my lords, a piece of paper is sent to this honorable court saying that we are doing this kind of investigation. The police say, my lords, and which is quite shocking, they say, my lords, I'm sorry, the date is here. My lords, way back in 10th February 2025, they say, my lords, a requisition has been sent to NPCI. I think, my lords, this was the third report.
It means Hari Mandal came all the way from there, he was produced to Rinja police station?
He must have appeared, he's a poor man, my lords, when the police go, end of the day, my lords, these are the kind of people who are dragged from one part of the country to another, because they are the safest people on whom the responsibility can be placed.
I see the pictures of his house.
Which is why I said at page 11, my lords, it cannot be this is the man. It cannot be this is the man. Page 11, as your lordships have said, the one look at page 11, my lord, says it all.
Yes.
My lords, the query that had fallen for my lords, about NPCI.
Yes.
Let's NPCI, National Payments Corporation of India, is an umbrella organization for operating retail payments and settlement systems in India, is an initiative of the Reserve Bank of India and the Indian Bankers Association under the provisions of Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007 for creating a robust payment and settlement infrastructure in India. So it is essentially under the control of the RBI, my lords. That is a statutory body. As it seems, it's a statutory body under this act.
But so we don't understand, because other cases are here. The thing is that a fraudulent amount is, like a fraud committed to account A, it's transferred to account B. The person whose account B also is liable. So many businesses in Shillong it's happened.
My lords, B, C, D.
Yes. My
lords, if there's also a genuine transaction, suppose, my lords, I receive some amount of money in my account, but I might have sent, my lords, 5 rupees to one of my associates here. What would happen is not only my account, even her account would be frozen, because then, my lords, the clarification, it works backwards.
That we've seen. It's happened all those cases where,
and there are a series of petitions before my lords. Here, my lords, till today, 1 year into the incident,
blank.
We don't know what is happening, and everybody's coming before this honorable court, my lords. The state is also answerable. They cannot come and simply say that we sent a requisition, we've not got anything. The bank washes its hands off saying that, oh, we've registered a complaint and the matter ends there.
Yes.
It's not our fault, it is the customer's negligence.
Anything else?
$37. My lords, after that, my lords, only issue is that there was a representation that was, my lords, made to the branch manager. And if my lords I may just draw your lordship's kind attention to page 38, and paragraph 4, my lords.
Read petition.
My lords.
Yes.
Now, my lords, it says that though I had made a transfer through UP, my lords have it.
Yes.
Though I had made a transfer through UPI, but the call was deceptive and one of them had fallen prey to a phishing scam where the fraudster pretended to be my senior so-and-so, and this is a clear case of phishing. It means fraudulent practice of making phone calls or leaving voice in order to induce individuals to reveal personal information, and many victims of phishing are people who are not tech savvy. Besides, cheating under section 3184 of the IPC has been committed by the offender. The email has not been replied anything about the fraud calls or the phishing. Besides, I was investigated over phone on 14/8/2024 and told that who had done it is a fraudster and the amount of rupees 99,000 has been traced out and money is on hold. Thereafter, I received an email from HDFC Bank so-and-so that the amount of rupees 99,000 has been credited to account number so-and-so and my available balance is so-and-so, temporary so-and-so under review.
Yes.
It has already come.
Anything else, Mr. Paul?
Well, if I may just draw your lordships to the counter affidavit at paragraph 6. This is where the Melod's bank states about what happened in the investigation. on the part of the bank, that with regard to the statements made in paragraph so of the writ petition, the deponent begs to state that after conducting a detailed investigation with regard to the complaint of the petitioner, it was found that the disputed transaction was completed in a secured environment using secured credentials, which are confidential, known only to the card holder, that is the petitioner, and had initiated using PIN and OTP only privy to the petitioner. The bank had debited the disputed amount so and so. As per the RBI circular, annexure 2 to the affidavit in opposition, in accordance with paragraph 7, as the bank does not have any dispute, chargeback rights towards such secured authenticated transactions, which are as follows. A customer shall be liable for the loss occurring due to unauthorized transactions in the following cases. In cases where the loss is due to the negligence by a customer, such as where he has shared the payment credentials, the customer will bear the entire loss until he reports the unauthorized transaction to the bank. Any loss after the reporting of the unauthorized transaction shall be borne by the bank. Now, I think what they mean over here is in cases where the loss is due to negligence by customer, such as where he has shared the payment credentials. Meaning, if I were to share my PIN or how to transact on my account, in that event, the bank will not be responsible till I report it to the bank and the bank stops it. This is not a case where, as is there in the complaint, a case of wishing. Once there is wishing means, I admit that a fraud has been played on me and some money I have transacted. Because I'm not sharing any payment details or operational details. It may not be payment details, it will be operational details of my account. That I have never done, and that is the admitted position. I have only informed money has gone through the UPI interface. So, in my humble submission.
So that's what you mean to say that, if payment credentials means your own OTP or sharing it across.
If I share my OTP, or I share my card details with somebody, then probably 7(1) would come into play.
Now, we are all new to this, so we don't really have to hear from them what it really means, or maybe we are looking at a bank manual. Yes.
But my humble submission would be before that, and before my lords proceed on the matter, it would, for the purposes of settling this matter to rest, it would be imperative, that the state come up with some proper investigation and some details of whatever transaction has happened.
The matter here because there are too many loose ends.
Every third person is falling victim to it.
This court had noticed before that whoever is, what is this national
NPCI?
NPCI. If they are an umbrella organization, is a where there's a common platform for the Reserve Bank of India and for the banks. That means it has to have some accountability.
And it is created under an act. I'll just place that act.
I think you better implead them. So the bank here also, the conduct also.
It is quite shocking.
A lot is desired. We cannot expect that if you're a valid customer or any customer for that matter, you should render all assistance. And it's as a hand-holding kind of. If a bank has a problem, we should take the customer, come sit down. This is what we'll do. Not a question of just washing of your hands and saying.
Bank should be an extension of the customer, They're very happy to take our money.
Not a question of just.
So if the money has been being taken away wrongfully by
some orders, yes, we'll pass orders.
Its only issue is
But meanwhile, we'll implead this from
NPCI,
Yes. It's Mr. Borbora will have to implead NPCI. We will not let this matter rest here.
I'll just add two things. Yes. As I have seen the investigation reports, no bank. It is never the pleasure of a bank to find one of his customers is being cheated. And whose mobile, who is using, who are the mobile SIM card providers, these are not the lookout of the bank.
No, Mr. Bora, it's not a question of just from the beginning, you washing away response. The thing is that from the part of the bank, even though the mobile belongs to XYZ, even account, but what from the bank, what were the concrete steps that you take to somehow secure the amount wherever it's gone? It might be gone to account number D, but whether the bank had taken the initiative to stop it wherever the money had gone.
So far as that.
And what we can see is that whatever the NPCI has been totally inactive in spite of repeated requests by the investing authorities.
They
are also, in a way,
We are under them.
Yes.
If it is interbank
Have you
transaction,
made any correspondence with this NPCI with regard to this seeking the,
only
has the bank done it?
and kindly, I will just point out. I will just point out one thing, my lord. They have said about the discretion of the bank, but in case of a shared, my lord, negligence on part of the, it is not done, my lord. It is in some other cases. There are case laws also. I will place before you where the Supreme Court said for absolute gross negligence, the client is not entitled to get back the money. My lord, lordship may kindly have a look at the FIR which was lodged, my lord. FIR in the writ petition. Also, police registered it 3 days thereafter.
Yeah, that's what on the 12th.
Now, kindly have a look at the FIR.
They've seen on the 12th, that's where investigation started.
Certain things will reveal from a bare reading of this FIR, page 19, lordship. Certain things will reveal. Kindly have a look. The FIR is under so and so. This was dated 8th. This was dated 9th, and below kindly see page 22B. It was registered on 12th.
12th, yes,
by police 7 p.m. Now, the contents of the FIR, certain things emerge. Let me read the FIR. With reference to the above, one person, unknown. He may be from Shillong itself or from Haryana. Unknown. With so-and-so phone number contacting me, taking the name of V.K. Jindal, senior advocate, and requested to transfer money to Vivek Barik through GPay on 8/8 at about 1:38 p.m. today. Now, few things are absolutely apparent from the FIR that complainant writ petitioner is a government advocate, highly educated. Why she sent money to an unknown person?
No, Mr. Bro, we will not go there.
Yeah.
Just take down,
And police didn't even cross-check.
We will
let them be party.
Yes, better.
Let them be party respondent.
Yes, sir. In the course of hearing this matter, it is noted from the status reports filed by the investigating authorities, commencing from the first report dated 10/12/2024, comma, (12 to 2025). (6 2025) and 28/7/2025. A requisition has been
finally put
repeatedly made to the NPCI, that is the National Payment of Corporation of India, to provide the details of the UPI account linked to one Vijay Barik, number you take down later, so and so, for which a response is still awaited.
Delhi.
Stop. Next, but it is not understood as under what circumstances the investigation is being held up by this authority, which, as submitted, is an umbrella organization under the control of the Reserve Bank of India, which provides a platform for banks and RBI for ease of digital payments.
Disputed payments.
Yes.
Non-payments.
And this is the matter due to the to effect proper adjudication of the matter. The who heads it? The NPCI.
Well, it's NPCI is headed by the RBI. I found out
the office or whatever. Who's the person concerned?
Well, there is a director.
The NPCI, where this is situated, located.
The office of NPCI is Mumbai, Maharashtra.
We just, yes, the NPCI, just bracket details provided.
Mumbai, Maharashtra.
By the petitioner, hereby, by orders of this court, shall stand impleaded as respondent number.
There will be respondent number
5, 6.
Respondent number 6. Respondent number 6. Steps immediately to be taken by the petitioner on receipt of the correct address.
Lordship heard me also.
Yes, Mr. A.C. Barbora is present on behalf of the respondent bank, and also Mr. Ensign Khan on behalf of state respondents. List after?
It will have to be after minimum 4 weeks.
3 weeks, I mean, yes.
3 weeks.
Just for service report.
It seems well as NPCI is the designated authority under the Payment and Settlement Systems Act of 2007.
Yes, you just write that. I mean, the correct address. Yes.
Let them come. If advised, we might have to file additional affidavit.
Of course, Mr. But the thing is that we have
if
to
advised.
See, at least it should be more proactive. At least the NPCI, whatever. Provide the details. But how can you stall investigation? It's happening rampantly across, and many people illiterate. You're seeing the advocate. If it can happen on advocate, imagine the plight of the other common people making small UPI payments.
Yes, cybercrime, it is actually an intrastate police operation.
7. I'll leave Lordship.
7.
Yes, Mr.
Please, Your Lordship. I'm seeking the indulgence of this Honourable Court, my Lord. If this matter can be taken up next week, my Lord, because conducting counsel, as said, my Lord, is having some personal difficulty.
You see the last order?
Yes.
Dated 25/7.
Yes, my Lord.
So what was wrong? Why can't you conduct it yourself?
No, he's the one who's conducting, my Lord. That is why.
Engagement?
Yes, my Lord.
Then you'll conduct it today, yes.
Now, we've already informed learned AG as well, my Lord, that will not be available, my Lord.
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship may have it next week as we have declared.
As a combination sought by Mr. AG movement due to absence of Mr. S. and Alan Johnson, just after 3 weeks, 2 weeks.
3 weeks, my Lord.
2 weeks, my Lord.
I can understand some junior stands up and.
Yeah, I understand, my Lord. But since it was already engaged, my Lord, that is why.
Why? There's some other things.
There's an arrangement, my Lord. That is why I'm not able to.
Item 8.
Okay. Hello, Blush, my Lord. Oh.
Please, Your Lordship.
You have filed affidavit?
No, they have not yet filed their affidavit, my Lord.
Please grant us 2 weeks time, Your Lordship. After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
What's the matter about?
This Akam case, my Lord. Join.
I have filed my affidavit. Any interim orders operating?
No.
How many times you have asked for affidavit?
Second time, Your Lordship.
Second time? Okay, Ms. Idhar pays out further 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Expected next date after it should be on board.
9.
Hello,
Item number 9.
Item number 9 and 10 are both connected matters. In fact, Lordship, in the main writ petition, that is 395 of 24. Lordship, they have filed their affidavits.
Disposed of?
No, not disposed of, Lordship.
It's before the division bench.
Yes,
that is appeal, Lordship, connected to this.
The appeal is pending, Lordship.
Appeal is pending, Lordship. So here, Lordship, they have already filed their affidavits. I'm praying if this matter can be fixed for hearing, Lordship. Rejoinder is not necessary. We have checked it.
Contempt?
Contempt along with the writ petition, Lordship.
For respondent 7, Lordship, in item number 10, Lordship.
10.
For the respondent number 6,
This is which one?
Item 10.
9, 10.
You are directed to be reinstated as head teacher?
Lordship.
Not reinstated till now?
I'm there, Lordship.
As head teacher?
Lordship.
Then where's the violation of the order?
Lordship, there was an order, Lordship, which we had challenged, by which it was
there is no violation, my Lord.
said that recall, that we
in fact,
recalled.
as far as the contempt petition is concerned, there was no notice.
See, this paragraph 40, according to petitions allowed impugn orders stated is hereby set aside and quashed. The person directed to be reinstated as head teacher, head mistress of
Lordship.
You didn't see that now?
Lordship.
Then?
And Lordship, thereafter what has happened is they filed an appeal, Lordship. They were not a party.
Pending before this
They were not a party to those proceedings, Lordship. They seek leave in appeal, Lordship. A letter is issued to the respondent number 3 saying that the appeal has been referred. The respondent number 3 issues a letter saying that all orders are to be revoked, which was passed earlier.
No, that
So
was
the
never
receiving
acted
order was
upon.
revoked.
Lordship, that
letter was never acted
that we have challenged, Lordship, by the way of this
letter
writ
was
petition, and
issued,
Lordship
but it was
was
never
pleased to
acted
pass interim
Direction is
orders.
given to revoke this letter.
No, Lordship.
This letter.
This letter.
That is they have challenged in the.
That was never acted upon.
In the petition for consideration today?
Lordship, that is
As far as the contempt
WBC
petition,
395 of 24.
my lord, no contempt has taken place, and my lord, in fact, this honourable court has heard this matter, my lord, and notice was not issued. The writ petition
Lordship,
filed, that also, my lord, we are stating that the writ petition itself is
Lordship, that was because Lordship
So who's
has
appearing
granted
for
status
Olida
quo.
Sheikh? Lordship.
They are for the check.
For respondent 7.
So, my lord, what had happened after the judgment, my lord, there were 2 challenges. One by the managing committee, which
One by the
claimed that
private
they were
respondent.
never made a party in the first round of the litigation. Second, my lord, the affected party.
You are appearing to managing committee. You obtain leave to appeal.
Yes.
You are not party in this 395. Are you party or not?
Yes, I am a party.
The earlier petition,
They were not, Lordship. They were not. They were not. They were not made party.
That will be petition also.
Okay. So what do you want to do today with this matter?
We have filed our affidavits.
Lordship, let it be posted for.
My lord,
hearing,
they were praying for
Otherwise also-
rejoinder, my lord.
Lordship, I am-
So far, they have not filed any rejoinder.
No rejoinder. We'll consider it for after 2 weeks for further orders. Yes. Yes, after 2 weeks for the orders. Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
On the prayer of the parties.
Obliged,
11.
my lord.
May I please, your lordship? The pleading is completed, so matter may be posted for a hearing, my lordship.
What about 5 and 7?
They've not entered appearance, your lordship.
5 and 7 is whom?
NHAI, your lordship.
NHAI. But also appear. They have a counsel here.
Yes, your lordship. Miss P. Bhattacharjee is appearing.
Where is
Some
she?
other matters in the other bench, your lordship.
M. Marichang, you want to file affidavit?
No, Lordship, since we just a former party.
Yes. You are Mr.
SW Sangma, my lordship.
S.
SW Sangma, my lordship.
SW Sangma.
Yes, my lordship.
Mr. The counsel for the petitioner submits that the pleading is complete and that the matter is posted for hearing stuff. It is noted that that today also there is no appearance on behalf of the respondents number 5 and 7. Though notices submitted have been served, stated to have been served. Stop. This for hearing. After
2 weeks, my lordship.
Okay.
Obliged, your lordship.
Obliged, lordship.
Item number 12.
Lordship, in terms of the last order, Lordship,
We will serve on our number 4.
we have served, Lordship. We have to ascertain from the postal department, Lordship, whether they have received or not.
You're paying for number 4?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. What's your name?
Ian Wajir.
So and so today's entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number 4.
4, Lordship.
As such, notice is complete on all the respondents. You want to file affidavit?
We'll file it during the course of the day.
No. Yes, he prays for so and so. Please will have to file affidavit. What about the other respondents? They all filed.
Respondent.
You say that.
Respondent number 3 has filed, Lordship. Respondent number 5.
1 to 3
Respondent,
is for the state.
Lordship.
Well, Lord, state, we have already filed a affidavit.
Respondent number
1
5
or 5, you filed.
filed, Lordship. Private
Very
respondent
good.
also they have
Fine.
filed.
So respondent was allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit. This thereafter for rejoinder of any years.
13.
Obliged, my lord.
13. Yes, sir.
Who's number 2, Mr. Guru? Who's number 2?
Complainant. Complainant. My lord, here, my lord, I've got.
They'll come tomorrow with other connected matters.
My lord,
You be ready.
this is different from rest of the matter, my lord.
for the fact, my lord, in order that district council will have a jurisdiction on this matter, my lord, all the parties has to be tribal. Here the deceased is a non-tribal, my lord.
Who the deceased? Oh.
So, my lord, the judgment relied on by them goes against them, my lord. Anyway, let it come.
Now, let the trial proceed. What stage is the trial? What stage is the trial? Where's Mr. Deb or Mr. D? They're hiding somewhere.
Outside, Your Lordship.
Outside.
They are outside.
On legs, Your Lordship.
They're outside on legs.
So, my lord, I have this preliminary objection.
No, yes, so you just will post off sometime. You call him. You will call off sometimes.
14.
Just sending her all the time, you know, without instructions.
May it please Your Lordship. I'm now being able to contact the department Lordship, therefore I'm praying for another 2 weeks' time.
Yeah, you're not agreeable for mediation.
No, Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship. There is an interim order. The petitioner.
You have objection?
No objection, Your Lordship.
What's the matter about?
Matter pertains to the wrongful termination of the petitioner as an aggromet observer under the key scheme applicable here in state.
Oh, that is Mr. LCM's case?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you'll file affidavit?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, MS Marichang. On behalf of number 2?
1 and 2, Lordship.
On behalf of number 2, praise that may allow how much time?
2 weeks' time.
File affidavit, stop praise allowed. So 2 weeks, interim order of any shall continue till next day. Yes.
Highly obliged.
15.
Please, Lordship, we'll be filing this affidavit during the course of the day, my lord, because on the last day I have filed it, but there was a defect, so the affidavit was returned. Respondable 4 and 5.
This is a miscase?
The miscase. Miscase as well as in the miscase, also there is a number was mistake, Lordship. The miscase as well as in the affidavit.
Mr. PS on submits will be filed the course of the list after?
Maybe after 2 weeks may come. We will file.
We'll file rejoinder if necessary, Lordship.
Well, after 2 weeks for rejoinder, if any.
Lordship.
16.
Much blessed, Lordship.
Lordship, the conducting counsel, Mr. Arja, is on sanction leave.
It's for orders. What's it for today?
I have prepared this for compliance report also, but petitioner lawyer was not there.
What compilation?
This compliance report, you will see.
What's the compliance report about?
Regarding this shop, you will see. This.
The lock over the shop.
So
you complied?
You will see this matters. Last question also I think petitioner saying this, we didn't mention the shop number and others. Then it was play action.
What got angry with you because you don't even know what shop been locked?
So you will see here 2 shops. So what's happened? You will see one.
Put an affidavit if you want to clarify that.
I have and then my things ready. But
Art does not really submits that the order dated. The order dated.
This is 28/9. It's 28 July 25.
The order dated 20th July.
20th July.
For miscase.
In this case, you will say there's 2 shops, and one is already expired, and another was there. And
Put
then
an affidavit. Be clear before the court at least. Then otherwise, the orders will go against you. Yes. Mr. R. Debnath submits that the orders passed in miscase resolution number 159/2025 as dated 28/7/2025 has since been complied with. However, Mr. Arja is not present. List this case tomorrow for the orders. Tomorrow?
Lordship, no, he's on leave. My lord, he's going to be on leave for some time now. Maybe after 2 weeks.
So, listen, may I submit this copy?
This after 2 weeks, Mr. R. Debnath permitted to put in an affidavit also.
So, you will see my affidavit ready. You will see.
File it.
17.
So, can I submit to her?
File it. Don't submit. You need to submit for benefit of your clients. Submit to the court. Remember that. Yes.
Well, the counter affidavit has been filed by respondent number 1234. I'll pray for a week's time for instructions.
What's the matter about?
This is that matter where there was the FIR, my lords, and subsequently there was a second FIR. And
what remains there then?
My lords, they say, as my lords had heard the matter at some length, and my lords, only the first FIR has been registered, the second FIR, no action had been taken. Now they filed a response, my lords, I was just reading it. They say that they've never received the second FIR. From the police station records, they don't have it.
Maybe he never filed it.
It is filed, my lords, because that is the only allegation against my lords that I am making. That
what
this
happened
incident
that you got beaten up? That's the allegation.
My lords, yes, they entered my house because of filing of the first FIR and I was beaten up.
And so because you filed first you were beaten up.
My lords.
Then because you filed a first FIR, you beaten up again.
My lords, there was trespass into my house, my lords. I was beaten up in the middle of the night. Thereafter, I filed an FIR, my lords, also filed a complaint with the SP. Now, some affidavit has been filed denying that there is any FIR which has been filed in the police station. Just seek some instructions.
The writ petition is not maintainable, my lord.
Yes.
Because there is a Supreme Court settled position of law, my lord.
Civil dispute been turned to criminal,
Not a civil dispute, my lord. The writ is not maintainable because the remedy is elsewhere. Under a new BNS, my lord, 175 clause 4, provision is very clear to approach jurisdictional magistrate for registering of FIR or for monitoring the investigation or change of the IO, my lord. So writ is not maintainable, my lord.
I'll deal with that.
1 week, yes.
Yes.
After 1 week, the prayer under counsel, senior counsel by the petitioner.
The affidavit I file is filed by the SP lot.
Right. Hello. Just ego hassles and small things, these things happen.
So nice.
Yes.
My lord, on behalf of respondent number 4, I'm entering appearance.
Number 4?
Number 4, Lordship.
Number 4 is?
I'm entering appearance for 5 to 8, my lord.
1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is Mr. Daru Jorwa today is under appearance on behalf of number 4. Ms. Ensign Khan on behalf of respondents 5 to 8. Mr. Pariat is present on behalf of Mr. Dingdorf 1, 2, 3. And such notices to complete all respondents. What do you want now? Today?
Let him file the affidavit, your lordship.
Suppose they don't want to file, what do you do? You want to file affidavit?
Yes, my lord.
Within 1 week?
No, my lord, we need 3 weeks time, my lord.
3 weeks time.
Schedule, lordship, and by the next day will be filed.
And Mr. Jurwa, no affidavit.
We will file, your
okay.
lordship.
Mr. W. Jurwa for 5 for 4 and Mr. Ensinkon for 5 to 8 pray for now 2 weeks time file affidavit. Mr. Pariat on behalf of 1, 2, 3 submitted affidavit on behalf of the said respondent in the course of the DHL. Just after 2 weeks.
Put in course of the lordship.
Then file within 2 weeks then.
Interim may continue, your lordship.
Yes?
Interim may continue.
Yes, interim order?
Yes, your lordship.
In terms of any shall continue next day.
Your lordship.
Hearing 29.
Mr. Jha is on leave. There's no mention of Jha as the counsel will place on leave list after. He's on leave till when?
2 weeks, not.
He's on leave till when, Mr. Jha?
22nd. Till the 22nd.
List after 22nd. Yes.
30. 30.
Where's Dr. Mozika?
On legs, Lordship, before Code 4.
He's on legs?
Lordship. I'm praying for accommodation, Lordship.
No, it's only the amount.
It's only the amount, which you have already considered the calculation which I have given the affidavit.
What, you're taking some time?
Yes, Lordship, might
We'll
take
take
some
at the end of
time.
the court.
Already near the end of the
Any
board. After some time, let's see. Part of order from Kacho without the transfer. Then what manage? What court hearing? Udang tu, tiran time. Rubun udang from E.
Second call 13.
1 second, the second call with other matter.
13.
Yes, what is some, huh? But before you hold the hearing, check when what other matter be done. If you check, huh?
My lord.
Yes, you've heard objection of Mr. Gurung.
What, my lord?
That the victim is non-tribal.
Victim is non-tribal, complainant is a tribal.
Then I think you have to withdraw the application.
Then a finding may be given, my lord, so that I can show to my client at least.
The very judgment relied on by the my lord petition judgment, Mevlin. That
So let me just prepare it, my lord. I will place my case. Then my lord may kindly pass necessary order.
I have no
So I object.
Let it come after 2 weeks, my lord. I will prepare.
Mr. R. Gurung has submitted that the District Council courts would have no jurisdiction to try the matter in view of the fact that the victim is non-tribal, comma, same line, Mr. S. Day raised up allowed to
Only thing is the victim is a disease now.
Yes. It replaces on the next date.
No, after 2 weeks, let it come.
Yes,
31.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, this is a Arkang matter, my lord.
Some accommodation?
My lord?
Some accommodation?
No, my lord.
Yes.
So in this matter, my lord, what has happened? The matter, my lord, was dismissed, my lord, on the ground of res judicata, my lord, by order dated 27/2/2020.
Okay, Mr. Mohan, before you take up, just give me 5 minutes.
Lordship.
5 minutes. Yes.
Yes, my lord. My lord, here in this matter, my lord, the petitioners, they file an application saying that they are the nokmas of the independent Amate Akang, my lord. What is Akang? And the matter was in the threshold dismissed on the ground of res judicata, my lord. And thereafter, they filed an appeal before the chief executive member. And there also, without going through the records, my lord, they have just simply dismissed the appeal. Being aggrieved by that, we are before this honorable court, my lord. So, my point before this honorable court is just limited, my lord. On the ground, can the matter be dismissed on the ground of res judicata alone, my lord? Here, what has happened, my lord? If lordship comes to page 29, this is the order passed by the learned
executive member.
Yes, executive member, my lord. The relevant portion will be page 30, my lord.
Is it 2020?
Lordship. 2020, ma. 27 to 2020.
Yeah, I'm in charge. Yes. What does it say? Read the whole thing.
Yes, my lord.
A short order, correct?
Yeah, it's a short order, my lord. I just want to read the relevant portion, my lord, if that be okay, my lord.
No, you...
That be at page 30, my lord.
1 second. Yes. I peruse.
I perused the record wherein it can be ascertained that while the Deputy Commissioner Sri G.D. Walker was conducting his survey, an according trace map and boundary mapping was done in the presence to several other Akang Nokmas in the year 1927 and further in the year 1929. The then Deputy Commissioner order judgment is also self-explanatory and still continue to still exist till date, as there is no appeal preferred by the aggrieved party against the order. That it is a well-established principle of law that once the court has passed a judgment regarding the same cause of action, parties cannot approach the court again for the same cause of action in a fresh form where after a gap of 90 years, the main contention that the then Deputy Commissioner was in regards with Rangsa Mulgiri Amate Akang and before this court is also seek for the same, which is not permissible as per law. It can be observed that the instant petition is bad in law and is barred by the principle of res judicata, estoppel and waiver, and hence is not maintainable in the present form and bad in law, hence the petition is dismissed. And after this, my lord, an appeal was filed. The appeal also, my lord, if lordship comes to page 32, relevant portion will be at page 13, my lord, or page 34, my lord. Para 13. After going through the record and upon hearing both the parties, it has been amply clear that 458 for Dambo Akang had been settled in the year 1927 in favor of the predecessors' interests of the respondents, and through the predecessor interests of the appellants had shown some interest in the alleged Mulgiri Amate, but they did not pursue the matter with full-heartedly, as admittedly by the appellants themselves, they have failed to take up this matter of Amate Akang. Due to ignorance as well as for their fear to face the authorities now, it is more than 95 years, as seen from the Mozada reports, they have requested the DC to demarcate separate Mulgiri Amate from Dambo Akang only after a few years when Dambo Akang had already been settled in favor of the predecessor of the respondents. Hence, the prayer was not considered by the then DC. Thereafter, they have not made any appeal or filed any application in any court. Considering all these things in mind, EM Land and Revenue had rejected the petition of the appellants as barred by res judicata. Appellants also pointed out that out of Dambo Akang, Watesa Amate Akang had been separated and registered as separate Akang. If lordship notes this particular line, my lord. Against there was no objection by the respondent, and they are praying on the same footing Mulgiri should also be registered as a separate Akang in their favor, but in this case, respondents have vehemently objecting. Hence, this is not a good ground to consider the prayer. Accordingly, I consider this appeal case as devoid of any merit. Hence, dismiss. Lordship, now, since Lordship has already seen the order, my impugn orders, my Lord, the EM as well as the CM has simply dismissed my application and the appeal, my Lord, on the ground of res judicata, my Lord. But the res judicata is a mixed question of law and facts, my Lord. And during the threshold, my Lord, this matter could have not been dismissed, my Lord, because no preliminary issues were also framed, my Lord, in this particular case. No issues were framed, no evidence was taken, my Lord, going against the principle of Doris Hama case, my Lord. That is my case. Here, my Lord, if Lordship comes to the order passed in the year 2006, which is of a similar situated case, my Lord.
2006.
Page 23, my Lord. This is the type copy. The actual order is at page 16, Annexure 2.
Page 16?
Yeah, page 16, my Lord, but the type copy is at page 23. This is the order passed by the executive member, my Lord.
Yes. Regarding the same matter?
Yes, similar case, my Lord. Here also, my Lord, the Watesa clan, my Lord, they are also claiming that they have different independent Amate Akang out of that same Akang, my Lord.
Out of Dambo Akang,
yeah, out of the Dambo Akang, my Lord.
So Dambo, what they say is Akang is the main for you. Is the parent Akang.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
And so already one been separated.
Yes.
6 order.
Yes.
Now you also seeking your which part of the clan?
I'm a Milgiri clan, my Lord.
Yeah. So you're seeking the same you seek same benefit you're seeking also.
Yes, my Lord.
After they got it, then you went.
Yes.
And what happened 27? Then that time G.D. Walker, it's regard to entire Dambo, what they say, Aking,
yes.
Or is it that time recognized that there was another Aking? I mean, this
the report suggests that the other Nukmas were not present, and on the basis of that only he has passed an order, my Lord. So
even rightly or wrongly, the thing is that, see, whether you need to frame issues such matters, because if the matter was adjudicated 1927.
Lordship, now if Lordship comes to this particular order, my Lord, it would be clear, my Lord, as what the EM has observed here, my Lord.
What the EM say?
If Lordship comes to last para, my Lord.
On due observation?
On due observation.
Yeah.
On due observation of Mozadar's report, I've gone through of all records for cross-examination, and accordingly I have observed that there is a dispute of which no proper proof have been recorded, that there is no Amate land. Just simply stated that as the Amate Nukmas have not turned up to demarcate their Amates, which it means that they have no land, he, DC, thought that the Amate Nukmas have no land at all. It seems that this was not known to Mr. Walker on Mozadar's manipulated report reversing the earlier report submitted dated 29/9/2025. But he himself approved in accordance with Mozadar's of Moza number 4 report dated 29/9/2025 and White case number 120 miscase of 1924-25 that Singring Nukma is the real main principal Nukma of Dambo Akang, and within this Akang there are 5 Amates, that is Toket movement of Dagu clan, Doron movement of Watesa clan, Tengkal movement of Rangsa Milgiri clan, Rojeng movement of Michengpa clan, and Malading of Dagu Dago clan.
Number 3?
Yes, number 3, my Lord.
See, the thing is that now where's the G.D. Walker's order? Is it next year?
G.D.'s Walker order is not here, my Lord. I have not been closely.
This order was never challenged.
This order, the
6.
No, that has not been challenged, my Lord.
And this Nokma, I mean, she's a.
They've all been registered, my Lord.
Of Dambo's respondent number?
5 and 6.
5 and 6, my Lord. That is why I'm before this honorable court, my Lord.
In the other one, when they tried to get Amati Aking, there was no objection from them.
No, later on they objected.
No objection.
No, they did not turn up, my Lord.
When the other persons got
Yes.
Bifurcated. But now when you have come, they objected.
No, they again objected, my lord. Then there's an order, my lord. I think they objected before the executive member again, my lord. The executive member.
Of the, what is the other one you're saying?
This Rangsa.
What?
Bathisa clan, my lord. But that was not entertained. They have not filed an appeal, my lord, against that particular order.
You don't understand if
that is what my
orders 1925.
Yes.
From which the claim arises for this order March 2006.
Yes.
27 orders there.
Yes.
Then doesn't it supersede the order of 25? What finding is this?
No, but they have not challenged this order, my lord. This order is still remaining, my lord.
There can't be two wrongs will make a right, Mr. Moomin.
No, but that is what in the order they are saying that is the power of the.
We can't overlook just because one wrong order is passed doesn't mean that we say okay fine, it's been given then like to to detriment of this respondents number 5 and 6.
Yes, my claim, my lord, is that at least issues should have been framed, my lord.
If the order is very clear, what issues are necessary?
In view of this order, my lord, this order has never been challenged, my lord, and there is a finding in this order, my lord.
Why you not challenge this 2006 order?
Lordship, there was a consent by all the Maharis on this order.
New King to give what is asking.
No, but so far he is concerned, your Lordship, Maharis and Nokmas are objecting because the matter otherwise was fully settled in 1927.
So what regard this order 2006 order?
And thereafter, against the order of the DC, they filed a appeal also before the commissioner. That also was dismissed with cost. And this being the position, matter was settled in full and final. Now his claim is this. Basically, is founded on that one clan is given. Why not me?
Exactly.
Why not me? Until that time he was silent. Up to 2006, he did nothing. He never exercised his right. And 2006, when one of the clan has got the order, and he cannot put himself on the same footing, because this order was rendered by the executive member when there was no objection. No, in his case, we are objecting.
No, we realize that.
So there was an objection. Lordship, in my rejoinder, my lord.
G.D. Walker's order.
My lord? No, the order of the 2006, wherein they have objected, my lord. 2000, this one, it's in my rejoinder, my lord. Now they're saying that they have not objected at all, my lord, but they have.
Your Lordship,
page 9, my lord. This is the
G.D. Vankhar's order, if your Lordship allow me to read. Page
G.D. Vankhar?
G.D. Valkar, that DC order of 1927.
Let us go to this, whether you objected or not 2006. I want to see. Which
is a rejoinder, my lord, page 9, annexure A. The type copy is at page 13, my lord. Page 13, my lord. Lordship has found that page, my lord. Kenneth Moment versus.
But it's against an order 23/6/2008. Is that a 2006 order?
They are coming against that same parties, my lord.
Yes. Dismissed for
but they are
limitation. Okay, yes. Where's that G.D. Walker order? Is it in affidavit in opposition?
Yes, in my affidavit in opposition, your Lordship will see page 20.
Yes.
This is my report before your honor, that according to the report which I have given on dated 29/9/2025, 1925, and which was approved by Your Honor on 29/10/25. The Aking Nokma of the following village, Ilaka number so and so, called upon the Nokmas and the Sardar of the adjoining boundaries or jurisdiction of other Aking land to erect the dips of to demarcate the boundaries of Aking land of Singring Nongma belonging to so and so. Hence, as there were no confusion and dispute within the jurisdiction of the Aking of Singring Nokma of Dambo or between the adjoining boundaries of other Nokma, the dips have been erected in the places wherever necessary after well proving by the elders of the Merennial clans before the witness hearing. Earlier on dated 29/9/1905, in the report which I have given, as the Nokma of the adjoining boundaries were not available to survey or to prove to demarcate the boundaries, no, the dips has been erected in the places wherever necessary to demarcate between the adjoining boundaries in presence of the Nokma and witnesses. In conclusion, I would like to inform you that in the report I have given you on dated 29/9/25, I, Doran Momin, so and so, even on having the information of my coming to Dambo village to demarcate the boundaries by erecting the dips for Singring Nokma were not found in the village and
Yasin. So you hit yourself in 1927 as per the observation. See, in conclusion, I'd like to inform you that the reports I've given to you on 29/9/25, I, Doran Momin, one Doran Momin of Watesa, Dinkhal Momin of Rangsra, Milgiri, that's your clan.
Yes.
Hojing Momin, so and so, of Dagu, even on having information of me coming to Dambo village to demarcate the boundaries by erecting the dips for Singring Nokoma, were not found in the village, also not there while erecting the dips. Instead, they all hid themselves in other villages. So you're right.
And moreover, your lordship,
maybe historically there was Amathea King, maybe, but then by virtue of this, and where's the appeal for the commissioner?
it is reflected in the report.
It's not there, my lord. You have not closed.
No, just a minute here. Let me. Your lordship will come to page 33. 33. Paragraph 5. Page 33 of my affidavit.
1929.
Starts from page 29 is the copy of, this is in Garo language, and translation copy is at page 32. I am referring to paragraph 5. As already mentioned in 2, the report dated 7/1/27, which was submitted by me and approved by the former Deputy Commissioner, they being disagreeing with the approval, have approached Division Commissioner with an appeal petition, which was dismissed by the Commissioner vide oral dated 10/6/29.
And below also?
Yes. On account of the above-mentioned reason, Singring Nokma refused to allot or allocate the MTS to them. And all, your lordship will also find that this one, the page 24 of my affidavit, that the what is that called?
Genealogical tree.
Genealogical table also was prepared in the 2009, and it is approved by the Deputy Commissioner. The other one is the typed copy. Then your lordship will find that these are documents which are prepared in 1927, and this map was also approved by the Deputy Commissioner. Now he is only banking upon that one plan has been given. For that, Your Lordship, there was no objection, and in fact, they were residing in that Dombo Akings. So far they are concerned, not a single person is there. They all are residing in the reserve forest.
That is misleading, my lord.
It's on record,
my lord. It's on record that they have objected, my lord, but
I'll show
after that order.
I'll show it is on record.
Anything else?
No, my lord. My only submission before
the only thing is that should be as per Dore Sama 1989, GLR1, that there should be frame issues.
Yes, no preliminary issue.
But in this case, I don't think necessary.
The threshold, my lord, if there is bar by jurisdiction, then I would have understood, my lord. But there's no bar by jurisdiction, my lord. No bar by law, my lord.
See, it's not a dispute that's not a bit adjudicated.
Yes.
You take out Dore Sama, you brought it with you?
No, I did not bring, my lord.
I have.
You bring it out. You see what do they prescribe there? This matter has already been adjudicated. It's already done since 1927. Shim. Dore Sangma says that in these matters, the fundamental principle of judicial procedure has to be followed. That is, yes, that's all. Yes.
And they say in the last, on the submission of Mr. Larry, the court has said that whatever may be the case, but principle of res judicata would apply. And these were, and in his memo of appeal also, Your Lordship, he has admitted.
Yes, 23. 23, yes.
23, yes. Because of what has been stated above, we are of the firm view that the principle of res judicata, which is founded on equity, justice, and good conscience, has to apply to proceeding before the revenue member also. Deputy Commissioner Mr. W. Shah, having held as early as in 4137, that is more than 5 decades before.
Moreover, my lord, 27 and 29 order is hitting him very badly.
We'll pass orders.
My saving grace is only the 2006 order, my lord.
It's not a saving grace. It's just that it didn't save you at all.
No, my lord, the 2008 order, if Lordship sees, my lord, if Lordship just goes through that 2008, my lord, order, because they have challenged it, my lord, before the EM against the Vatresa clan.
That's a supplement proceeding which has no. We are doing it. We're looking at your claim only, based on your pleadings only.
Lordship,
that you is an Amathea king. Whatever there was a wrong finding,
Lordship,
with regard to your rights. And what happened 2006 somehow resurrected, and then by it's a palpably wrong order. I don't know why it's a council passes order that referring to 25 order which doesn't exist anymore, because 27 is a subsequent order, and in the 2006 order we see it said 25. It was wrongly recorded. Can a person now, can an EM overturn everything what happened 27 by 2006 order? Will we be party to furthering another wrong that's been done? You can't expect this court, Mr. Momin, to again try. You're trying, what I understand, you're trying to get this matter remanded.
Yes.
Then by remanding, then you frame issues. Then again you'll try to distinguish with the 27 order. Then again you revive a dispute which is already, it's already been adjudicated fully. So that's the only thing. This court won't allow that. Why should you put them to the matters finished 90 years ago? Let things rest.
Even documents are not readily available.
Yes, take down the petitioner is before this court impugning the judgment and orders dated 27/02/2020 passed by the respondent number 4, and the order on appeal therefrom dated 24/5/2023 passed by the respondents. Stop. The case is founded on the on the claim that under a certain aking known as Dambo aking, which are namely Wathesa, WATHASA, sampai mo Amate A, it's apostrophe MAT aking, and Milgiri Amate aking were not registered, and in this view and not registered, and as such remain under Dambo aking, though in 1927 the then Deputy Commissioner G.D. Walker, by an order dated -2077, had recognized the demarcations as had been carried out at that point of time. Stop. Mr. A.G. Moomin, the counsel petitioner, has submitted that notwithstanding the fact that the order of the earlier Deputy Commissioner, the former Deputy Commissioners dated 1927 existed, the aspect of the existence of the Milgiri aking within Dambo aking, correct, was never adjudicated fully. And to buttress his arguments, has referred to an order passed by the respondent number in that EM, by order dated respondent, that 2006 order by the respondent number 4 in what's the name of the appeal, number of appeal, in
But order dated. What is happening?
Yes, by
Order dated
no,
26.
No. What's the, there's no revenue. There's no number of the case also.
No number of the case, my lord.
How is it possible?
No.
Anyway,
So the order is mentioned, my lord.
Number 4 dated 2006.
6, yes.
Where in the case of Wathesa, Dambo Wathesa aking, the same has been recognized and has been entered in the records from 21st July 2006. He further submits that though the same was appealed against, the same was dismissed, and as on today, Amithe Dambo Wathesa aking exists.
Yes.
Stop. He therefore prays that the petitioner's claim being identical to the Wathesa clan, they be given consideration. Is further submitted that the orders which have been acceded for this court are bad in law, inasmuch as the principles as laid down in the case of Dore Sangma have not been followed, inasmuch as no issues, either preliminary or otherwise, were framed before dismissing the petitioner's petition on the ground of res judicata. So, next, you got Mr. Dear's submissions or yours first? Mr. Vicky Jindal, appearing for the right response 5 and 6, has at the outset submitted that the matter at hand, which is sought to be revived by the petitioners, has been decided over 90 years ago. And this connection has taken this court to the order of, where's the affidavit? Where's that GD Walker's order? That's that page. Has
That
taken
is
this court to,
at page 20 of my affidavit.
to 20.
20.
To the order dated 15/1/2027.
1927.
Sorry, which are approved by the then Deputy Commissioner G.D. Walker. Stop. The National Council has also submitted that at that point of time itself, the boundaries were settled and finding has been rendered that the predecessors in interest of the writ petitioners do not possess Amithe land. Amithe land means it belongs to nobody actually.
No, Amathe, it's a
combination of two.
No, it's Amathe means a single land, Malo.
Single land, no, doesn't belong. That means you don't have your own. You don't. That means what? Anyway,
Amathe means single, Malo, in Garon.
What this court is trying to say is that whether it refers to a stretch of land within the Akhing,
Exactly, my lord.
which belongs to no one, or whether
No, it's not like that, Malo.
Aking within the Aking, my lord.
Aking, yes.
Yes.
No, within it belongs to no one.
No,
you're claiming that
No, Amathe means for the single clan, Malo.
Single land.
Yes,
Single
single
clan,
clan, yes.
That you're saying that this land within the Aking belongs to no one, so it's ours.
No, it's not like that. It's Amathe.
That's what mine is. Okay. Oh, nice, huh? Do not possess any Amithe land. So, an appeal he submits was also preferred before the commissioner.
Page 33. Page 33. Page 33, paragraph 5.
Who came thereafter. Namely one J.M. David, who by order dated 24/8/1929 rejected the same, and finding was rendered therein at para 5 of the order dated 24/8/1929. Thus, the council therefore submits that the point in question does not deserve any more consideration, and the writ petition is liable to be dismissed. Yes, Mr. Day.
But my point is that the matter is barred by its adjudicator. The second point is that my lord, 27 order was challenged, my lord. 29 order, that is not under challenge. They have never challenged that.
Yes. Mr. S.D. Has also supported for the response of 1, 2, and 3, or 4, whatever, has endorsed submissions made by the Senate Council, and first submitted that after the orders had been rendered by the Deputy Commissioner in 1927 and thereafter on 1929, there has been no challenge to the same, and it's too late in the day to seek any review or recall of the same. So, upon hearing the counsel of the parties and examining materials on record, the undisputed fact is that the earlier Deputy Commissioner, by orders approved 15/1/2077, had recorded as follows. I just mark it here. Page 21. Really, I just mark it here. Mark this A. And recorded as follows. So, further, as correctly pointed out by the counsel for the respondents, the matter was taken appeal and was however, stood dismissed. Stop. A perusal of the records also shows that there is a map which has been rendered with regard to the boundaries has also been registered and endorsed by the Deputy Commissioner at that point of time. Stop. This court, Nekpara, is therefore to examine as to whether any dispute still remains that can be made subject of any further adjudication. Stop. It is noted that in 2006, an order has been passed by the executive member, spot number 3, with regard to the claim of another claim. There's a Watisa claim.
Yes,
of Watisa claim.
What is a claim?
But a perusal of the same, however, reflects that the same at the most can be said to be without, I will not say anything. Perusal of the same shows that the same was viewed from a different perspective, and also the order, the appeal therefrom was dismissed on the grounds of limitation. So this court does not, will not ask any observations on the said order. Stop. Coming to the instant matter in question, though it has been argued by the learned counsel of the petitioner that the principles as enunciated in the judgment of Duro Sangma has not been followed, a perusal of the said judgment itself, which is reported in within brackets 1988, 2 GLR 120 at para 23, reads as follows. Stop. Accordingly, next paragraph. In view of the facts and circumstances of the case as they, in view of the facts and circumstances of the case, especially the long delay or the long time that's elapsed in seeking to revive or re-agit the matter, the same deserves no consideration, and the petition is accordingly stands dismissed. I tried so.
No, it was an uphill task, my lord. Yes. It was an uphill task, man.
More than uphill. Climbing double Mount Everest.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Yes.
I've just drawn a synopsis, my lord. To
give a copy to the Christian
Yes,
Council?
I'm giving. Well, I find out that the notification that my learned senior is heavily relying on, that my lord, 2 years for direct recruitment and promotion, 80% of this, and promotion my lord, border security force for this, having 3-year diploma in civil engineering from an institution recognized by the central government or the state government, with 10 years of regular service in this regard. 10 years of regular service is not in dispute, my lord. Only thing is this, that I need to undergo 3 years diploma course where the leave is granted only for 24 years. First 12 months and then 12 months, my lord. I can claim that 24 months.
Then this is coming again slowly. You're saying?
What I'm saying is this, my lord. What my learned senior has pointed out last time, my lord, that if I undergo a diploma of 2 years, my lord, I cannot be considered because it's a 3 years diploma course which I have to complete. But the leave they can maximum grant me in my service tenure is 24 months. In two-fold, my lord. 12 months and then 12 months. Now, the case is this, my lord. Lateral entry, my lord. If my lord may kindly see page 2 of the synopsis that I have given, my lord. Yes. The course at his recognition, my lord, that had note, my lord. Sainath University was established under Jharkhand Act so and so, and it is recognized under Section 2F of the UGC Act, my lord. Now, my lord, they allow me to go for lateral entry, reduce the course duration from 3 years to 2 years. I have star marked, my lord, and underlined.
Lateral entry, reduce the course duration.
Yes.
Means
from 3 years, they will give me direct entry into the 2nd years, my lord. 2nd year. But a diploma which they will grant me, my lord, is for 3 years. This is with terms, my lord, and this has been approved by NCT also, AICT, my lord. My lord, may kindly see the just second last paragraph, my lord. I have highlighted, my lord. AICTE permits lateral entry from class 10 plus 2 years ITI in relevant trade, my lord. So class 2.
Where are you showing? Where? I've shown an example where it's 3 years. They give it here.
I will rely, my lord. They say there are judgments to that effect, my lord. I'll rely on the judgments, my lord. Now this is the fact, my lord. Now, my lord, may kindly come to the next page, my lord.
Yes.
Rule 50, my lord. If my lord may kindly see. First, before this rule 50, my lord, I would like to take my lord to the page number. This is the prospectus of Sainath University, page 9, my lord.
Page 9.
Page 9, my lord. But the relevant page which I am going to place, my lord, is page 11.
This is Ranchi.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Jharkhand Ranchi, my lord. My lord, may kindly produce page 11, my lord.
10, 11.
Yes, my lord. Diploma Engineering lateral entry, my lord. The second para. Diploma.
Duration 2 year eligibility.
Yes.
Can pursue civil engineering.
Yes, my lord.
Where lateral entry?
This is lateral entry, my lord. Lateral entry, diploma. No, my lord. First is diploma engineering, 3 years. The next, my lord.
Lateral entry, okay.
Yes, direct lateral entry, my lord.
Okay.
Now, whether then, my lord, may kindly come to page 12, my lord.
No, lateral entry, they say, see, where does it say that 3 years will be 2 years?
My lord.
Or 2 years will be 3 years?
My lord, may kindly see. We'll pass it. This is civil engineering. This is the mechanism electrical engineering. Direct admission in 2nd year. The next line only, my lord.
Okay.
Direct entry in the 2nd year, my lord. Now, my lord, may kindly see page 12. Serial number 7, my lord.
The candidate
who wish to apply for credit transfer, lateral entry, or so and so, my lord. That means, my lord, they are giving me. Now, whether this lateral entry is recognized by AITC or not, my lord. That is recognized, my lord. May kindly see page 13.
Yes.
For lateral entry diploma in civil engineering from Sainath University, recognition of qualification, Sainath University, Ranchi, Jharkhand, established in so and so, State Act, so and so, recognized under the UGC, my lord, listed in the UGC official list of recognition university, AICT approved, my lord. Diploma in civil engineering in AICTE approved technical programs, AICTE approved process. This is not relevant, my lord. Now, my lord, there are 2 judgments. One is of the Supreme Court and one is of the High Court, my lord. They said recognize lateral entry as a valid academic course under AICTE policy, my lord. I have the judgments. I will place it, my lord. Now, my lord, may kindly see 2 things that they have raised, my lord. That whether
Mr. Dr. Mozika last time said that PSF engineering civil combatant group, whatever recruitment rules.
Yes, my lord.
For promotion of BSF heads constable in engineering setup,
my lord,
only those having 3-year diploma in civil engineering be considered.
Yes, my lord.
Now, whether you're on a civil engineering line or you're mechanical.
No, I'm civil engineering.
Sure,
I'm sure, my lord. Because
that's correct.
The documents.
Last time, I think you submitted that he's not in civil engineering.
He's a diploma, my lord. Diploma in civil engineering.
No, now what are you doing? What kind of work you're doing?
I'm doing fitter, my lord. I'm head constable fitter.
Exactly the point. Now, whether you're a fitter.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, now that's not civil engineering.
No, diploma in civil engineering, and that is the promotion. That is the next promotion, SI, my lord. For that, I have to get a degree in
So there's no bar if you're a fitter, a plumber.
No, my lord.
No problem.
No, there is no bar, my lord. There is no bar. Otherwise, if there was a bar, my lord.
You have 10 plus 2.
I have 10 plus 2 and I am
10 years of service.
10 years of service, and also I am holding a degree of ITI, my lord. ITI.
No, you have to show one thing. Okay, well and good that that this 3-year course is compressed to 2 years.
My lord.
That is but you have to show that you're eligible to seek the leave.
My lord.
To pursue that diploma in engineering because you're a fitter. That's
yes.
all. Yes.
Yes, my lord.
That's the only thing. Otherwise, if you show that there's nothing that can stop you and under the rules that you apply or as per your terms of engagement, then we will order you go for your engineering.
My lord, may kindly see page 3.
Yes. Of the synopsis.
Of the synopsis, my lord.
Yes. Absolutely.
My lord, may kindly see legal standard, my lord. Rule 50, CCS rule, leave rules. Rule 51 and 2, my lord, study leaves may be granted for higher studies or specialization training in a professional or technical subject having a direct and close connection with the duties of the government servant and likely to be of defined advantage to the government from the point of view of the public interest.
DB is settled. He can continue. I'll reply tomorrow.
Yes?
The division bench is settled.
So I will submit it, my
you
lord.
Can submit, I'll reply.
My learned senior can reply tomorrow.
Who's there here? You'll be here. You just note the arguments.
The officer is also
only there are synopsis, so you don't need to note anything.
I have given.
See, only one thing,
my lord.
See, Rule 50 says,
my lord,
having a direct
yes
and close connection
yes, my lord,
with the duties
yes, my lord,
of the government servant,
yes, my lord,
which it, as per term or discharging right now,
yes,
whether going for diploma in civil engineering is related to your closely related to your duties.
Exactly,
that you have to show.
That is why, my lord, I said let them place the file before this honorable court. That will be more clear, my lord. Otherwise, I have the documents, I can place it, my lord. But it is their documents, they should place it before this honorable court. What is their observation, or what is the observation of my, under whom, my superior, my lord, that has never been placed by them.
In affidavit, not been placed.
It has not been placed. That whether it is directly connected or not.
That's the only thing.
Yes, my lord. It is directly connected, my lord.
That's the only thing. If you can show to the court, and show that yes, directly connected, that then you'll be entitled to your leave,
my lord. Yes. My lord, may kindly see this. I will just read out this page 3, my lord. It will be more clear, my lord. In one of the judgment, my lord, 2007, volume 12, my lord, SSC, it make it very clear, my lord. They say, my lord, 3-part eligible test has to be done, my lord. Professionally technical course. It is a technical course, my lord. There is no dispute about that. Now, direct nexus with the official duty. My direct nexus is there because after this only, my lord, I will be entitled for promotion, my lord.
No, I can nexus official duties means what duty is doing now? What does the fitter do actually?
It is they are observing the construction.
No, what does fitter do?
It is the construction. They are taking care of the place of the construction, my lord.
There's a dictionary meaning of fitter.
That, my lord, they will be in a better position to say.
Yes, but who's there from the department? What does the fitter do?
My lord, it is not related to a construction.
No. What does the fitter do? What is the job description of a fitter in your organization?
Machinists, sir. They do their work on
mechanical,
machine only, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yes.
Now, if that is the case, my lord, let them produce the file. That I am the fitter and I am doing only this.
Yes, fitter, that's why it'd be unfit to go for a diploma.
I don't know why they are so head on, my lord, not allowing me. If that is the case, let them place the file. I will also place the documents which I have, my lord. Whether I have an access, because this is the only thing.
That's the only thing.
That is the only thing, whether I have an access or not.
Only says the study leave will be granted only if you're having a direct and close connection with the duties assigned to you. That's
yes,
all.
my lord.
Nothing beyond that.
My lord, the diploma in civil engineering is a technical course.
This gentleman says correct. It's you're a mechanical person.
No, my lord, that is not correct. The duty what I am doing also, my lord, that definition
what
will
duty
suffice.
You are doing?
the construction place, I'm taking care of the construction place, my lord. Where construction is going on, my lord, I used to go and measure and all everything, my lord. It's not that only I'm a fitter, that in a mechanical way I'm doing it, my lord. That is the instruction that I have. And why they are feeling shy, my lord, to produce the record before this honorable.
No question of feeling shy, but the question of entitlement only. Yes.
A diploma in civil engineering, my lord, is a technical course and is directly connected to the petitioner duty as a fitter, as a head constable fitter, and essential for promotion to SI work, my lord. The next promotion will be, my lord, SI work, my lord. So if I fail to obtain this degree, my lord, I will not be even considered. I will not be in the zone of consideration, my lord. My lord, I will also place the document. Let them also bring the file tomorrow, my lord. Then it can suffice, my lord, that whether I have a direct nexus with the work or not.
When were you appointed as a fitter?
I was
initially appointment.
My lord, exactly, my lord. I'm not in a position because I was appointed in 2015, my lord.
You kindly come with the
head constable technical.
You come with your materials. Yes, Mr. you instruct your client. What is this? Terms of engagement and what work you exactly do. That's all we need.
Tomorrow let it come up.
Let it come day after tomorrow.
My lord.
Yes. Yes. On hearing the matter, the counsel of the petitioner, as they be allowed to produce materials to show the exact terms of engagement of the petitioner. Respondents also to produce likewise the term and the nature of duties and terms of engagement of the petitioner. Yes. Just for further hearing on Wednesday.
Wednesday, my lord. Let it be part heard so that we can just place it. It will be in the.
Yes, matter is part heard.
Highly obvious.
Second call, item 30.
That's the only thing. Otherwise,
yes. If I can prove that, because that part, there was two parts, my lord. One hurdle I have crossed, the other hurdle.
The hurdle other is crossed.
My lord.
Second call, item 30.
Okay. Oh, where's Mr. Marpan? Yes.
Can't see him.
We'll do after tomorrow then. But please tell your senior that we'll close it after tomorrow. It's just a matter of amount.
Lordship. Highly pledged.
33.
Your Lordship, we need some more time in this matter, Your Lordship.
Why? You're not agreeable to mediation also. You don't want to argue also what to do. There can't go mediation.
No, this cannot be mediated because they are illegal occupants of the designated reserve forest.
Okay, after 1 week.
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks, yes.
Your Lordship.
34.
34 is that matter regarding construction of roads at Nongstern during this KGP synod, Your Lordship.
Yes. Where's Mr. Nongpur?
May this matter can be taken up tomorrow.
Tomorrow I have some.
Dr. Muzika is not free. So I'll just ask told a junior that he just come up with with concrete instructions. Yes, you can close the matter. Yeah, after tomorrow. Yes.
Lordship, tomorrow I have some difficulty.
You want to withdraw the matter?
The conducting counsel is on legs. Lordship.
The work is already completed.
After
also,
1 week,
Lordship. Oblige, Lordship.